Welcome, and in today's video I'll be teaching you the CPA self-clicking method that we're going to be using to gain at least $20 for free every single day. As you can see, my lead have over 5,050 offers here, and I'm going to be showing you the offers that I would recommend for you to use in this self-clicking. Okay, so come down here, and then all you have to do is to select these offers that says create single opt-in and email submit. So select the email submit and then select the single opt-in. From here you will be able to see offers that will convert immediately on signing up. Okay, so you don't have to verify any email and you don't need even a single VPN. So come down here and they have to select your country. I'm going to be selecting my country here because I don't want to use a VPN. Okay, so VPN is risky and it can lead to your account being banned. Okay, so I come down here and I'm selecting my Nigeria country here, and I have to choose any of these offers that I've been approved of. I will be using this one because it has converted on self-clicking and it's for beginners as well, so you can use it for yourself. So I click on this promote and I'll be transferred to where I'll get my affiliate link. I'll just go down here. If you are new, you have to click here and configure or promote. So I click here and then I have to get my affiliate link here. Okay, so I'll generate my affiliate link right now, and as you can see it's ready. I have to copy it, and the next thing I have to do is to go over to another browser here. Make sure each section you do this, you have to do this, refresh your browser and then delete every history so you can use your landing page. So add this link to your landing page so you can be able to use it. If you paste it on the browser like this, it will be tracking as direct clicking. So I advise you use breezy.io. let's say we'll go to breezy here. We're just going to build a simple landing page for ourselves, something that will just have a button, and then we'll add this link. The only thing we need is just to add this link somewhere, and once we added this link somewhere, then everything is done here. Okay, so you can use breezy or you can still use anyone like Google Sites or any of your choice. I'm going to be using anything here, and I will click on edit here, and so I can add this link to any button of my choice. So I have to click on this one and it will bring me to this edit. Okay, so from this edit here, most of you will know how to do this, and if you don't know how to do this, all you have to do is to comment below and tell me to drop the tutorial on landing page building, and I will drop the tutorial for you. So from this editing, you'll be able to add your own link. Let's assume we are built and everything is ready. So what we're going to be doing is to add this link to browser, and then we have to paste it now, and then we'll have to start. If this link is not working properly, maybe it's network, the only thing you have to do is to change this. Okay, so this is the breezy, and I have to add a button now so you can know the step-by-step tutorial to this. So I have to click on create from scratch, which is create your own. I have to select here, and then I'll select a button and I will add. Okay, so I click here now and I have to search for button. This is button right now. I have to add it here. I have to click here, say something like click here. Alright, so I have to select the linking and I have to paste the link in here because this is self-clicking method. You don't have to build any special landing page for it. So this is the only thing we need. After everything, you have to click here and I have to publish. So on the publishing page, your link is safe. So everything will be tracking as if it's this page. Okay, so we are ready. I have to update now, and then have to go back to our dashboard. From there you can actually select our link and then you can customize it if you like, but it's not a must because this is a self-clicking method right here. Okay, so come down here. This is your link here. I have to copy this link. So with this link we'll be able to do anything we want to do here. Okay, so it's that simple. I don't know why this link is not opening, so all you have to do again is to go back and change this link. So I have to choose the latest link right here on breezy. So click here. I have to select the name, select another thing here, select the latest one right here. So I have to select this one now, and I have to click here that says save. So select the latest domain and URL on breezy, and then you're going to try this out. So as you can see here, I have selected this thing right now. So I have to click on URL generator and I have to select it. Okay, sorry. If you display this type of error, the only thing you need is just to come down and then have to copy it like this. It's that simple. So copy it like this, and then let's go over to our browser. Okay, so let's do this. I'll paste it now, and I'll see. So after it has finished loading, all you have to do is to fill out the information and make sure you complete every single step on the signing up, and then you're going to convert. Okay, if this offer is disturbing, I think it's from this offer and not from our browser. Only thing you need to do is to go back and change this offer. There are many offers that you can use here on my lead, and then make most of your conversion as an affiliate. Okay, so I think the link is having an issue now, and once it's back, I'll be trying it out again. Okay, so it's that very simple. So guys, make sure you try this out. If you need mails to sign up on this, only you need is just to go over to emailfake.com, go over to email fake. So email fake, search for email fake on the browser, and then you're going to get to email fake where you see thousands of emails, unlimited emails that you can use to sign up and continue to sign up. If you can sign up and get 11 cents on any of this offer on each sign up, then if you sign up on 10, you have gotten $8. And if you continue refreshing your browser and signing up on more, at least in a single day, you can get up to the $20. This is email fake here, and you can use it for your job. So if you love this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.